For the first time in a long time, I am going to make a video, at least, of my Tesla Model 3 2020, and its name is Kilowatt. And what you're seeing in front of you is I ordered a console cover, not a wrap, but a cover from, I'm going to pronounce it Basenor. So simple, but what I want to show you here is the absolute cost-effective packaging, and it appears to be all corrugated, so that's ecologically friendly also. Well, let's open this beautiful package and see what's inside. Well, let's see what we have inside this package here. We have very light, extremely light, one piece, two piece, and boy, I bet you can guess what this one is, three piece. So there's three pieces. It's really, really thin, somewhat flexible, feels like a rubbery plastic. I don't know what the exact material is. But anyway, that's it. It's these three pieces. I bought it on Amazon. As you could see, let me open one of them. I'll take one of them out so you could see what we have here. And what it is in the back, you see already see the red. And so there's no instructions, by the way, at all in the box, zero. But it appears that it's as simple as you just take off the red tape, push it down, and that's it. It'll stick. So let's go test it right now. This should take a couple of minutes to install. Well, here it is. As you could see, we have the piano black here, and you could see how much it reflects. It's very dirty, and yes, as everybody says, it's clearly a magnet for dirt, dust, fingerprints, etc. So difficult for you to see, I know, right now in the with the sun out, but I just wanted you to get the idea of what we're going to do here. Okay, I think you can get a pretty good idea here what we're going to do, these three pieces. And I have three pieces. I got matte black. It also comes in, I think it was white, and the other one may have been carbon black, or carbon fiber, I'm sorry. So here's the three pieces, and this one's got a little bend in it. So we'll have to see where that goes. It obviously looks like it goes right there. Guess what? We know where this one goes. This one goes right here, and it's nice. It looks like it fits right over, and the last one would go right here. So there we go. So that is what it's going to look like when it's done. So let me, I did clean it off. Let me go ahead and put the first piece on. Here we go. I got all the tape off. By the way, I would tell you that taking the tape off probably takes the most time. I understand that I could move this around. It doesn't leave residue. And if I have to take it off and redo it, that's okay also. At least that's as I understand it. So I'm going to put it here. And I think I like where it is. No, maybe not. That's it. So I have one piece on. I didn't have any issue, as you could tell, putting it on. It's in nice and tight. It's not moving around. It's pretty stable. So let's do numbers 2 and 3. I started here because I knew that would fit in the cup holders. Let me show you the difference. By the way, the red is just the tape. You could see where I'm heading here, and you could see the old finish versus the new matte black finish here. So let's see what happens when we get pieces 2 and 3 on. So here's the middle piece, and it has a little lip right here that you could probably see because of the shadow, and so that is going to be the top, and it's contoured here in the bottom against the cup holder, because don't forget this piece is this is going to have to open. So let's go ahead and do it. What do you think? So we have piece number 2, I think, is on, and then I'll just pat them down a little bit later. Looks like there's a little bit more of a gap here, but I'm not sure that actually matters. So let me take a look here. It is off a little bit. I am going to actually have to redo this one. Okay, I feel a lot better about piece number 2 now, which is here in the middle. It looks like it's centered the way it's supposed to be. It certainly opens up properly. And again, it's just for the top. Since it's a cover, it's not a wrap. So that's what's making it simple. Right now, I would say that it takes about 2 minutes to get the tape off each piece, and about 10 seconds to fasten the cover piece. Anyway, I think it's coming out good. My guess is I probably did not save the easiest for last. Here's the last piece, the third piece. You can see it's angled. It's flat, just a slight bend here on the bottom, which is the same as it is right there. So it's certainly made to fit that. And it's because of that, and because it goes way up on the top there, just have to be a little bit careful beginning it. So let's put it on. It's about time to see if we're going to be able to put this on. So let's give it a shot. I am going to, here we go. I'm putting it in here. I feel like that's the right spot. Now I just have to make sure it's even. Sorry, I keep moving the camera on you guys. Put it down there just a bit. You can see that the gap here looks good. It's got to go a little to the left here. So I think what I'm going to do is lift it up here, and I think I got it. I'll bring it all the way up. I hit the camera again. What do you think? Let me get this and lift that up so you could see it. Matte black, or black matte, whatever is proper. And I like it. I would say the entire process took about 20 seconds to physically put it on. About a minute to take the tape off, and I guess if I had to pick a couple things that I don't like, and it's not the fault of the product, is you could certainly see the gap here. So I'm wondering if I need to lean it over a little bit more maybe. And it actually looks like it picks up dust even worse than the piano black, but I hope that's wrong. It looks really nice. It better matches here. Over here, it better matches all that in the door.